Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the 2018 RUKKA Forsair jacket. So Forsair jacket's a bit different from anything else from RUKKA. It's not a Gore-Tex product, it's not a waterproof product. It's that summer mesh jacket that you've all been asking for to go along with your armrest, your armour tee, that sort of product. So we've got a full mesh jacket, but we haven't skimped on the materials like some manufacturers make a cheap mesh. This is a proper high quality premium mesh jacket. So let's talk to you about what makes this jacket premium. As you can see from the outside of the jacket, you can't see through it as standard, but it is a mesh weave. That's the Cordura AFT material we've developed with Cordura. Instead of having the Cordura mesh woven like this, it's woven in chains. What that allows is the air to flow through the jacket like it's a t-shirt. The whole thing is a mesh material, but it's as abrasion resistant as any other Cordura jacket we do. So you're getting that full abrasion resistance, but you're getting full airflow through the jacket. Secondary advantage of this tight weave that we're using is it's fully UV protected as well, so if you're using it in really hot weather conditions, you're not going to get burnt inside this jacket. If you're just going underneath without a t-shirt or anything, you're not going to get any burning. So that's this standard Cordura AFT down the outside, as abrasion resistant and as strong as any other RUKKA jacket. If you run down the inside of the arm here, you can see we've got a slightly different material on the inside here. That's AFT Evo, that's even more airflow through the material. We use it in this area because it's not as important in terms of strength in these areas. It's going to allow a bit more airflow through there, but everywhere else you've got your standard Cordura AFT. Loads of active safety features as well. You can see you've got a reflector on the eye, you've got a large R here with reflection, piping all the way down the arms, on the sides as well. Coming around to the back, you've got more reflective piping and another reflective R. So it's a really nice, really stylish product from RUKKA with a mesh as well. Velcro closure at the top here. As always, you've got that part point for your Velcro hook and loop. A lot of people I talk to say this abrasive material can pill up jackets around here unless you've got that closure, but we've got that closure in place on this product. YKK Zip running down the front as usual with the standard RUKKA swing tab and a button closure at the bottom. If I open that up, you've got this lovely wickable material inside, really soft, because this is expected to be worn against skin without too many layers underneath it. You need this beautiful soft material running down the inside. That's going to help wickle the sweat away, allow that air to flow straight through the jacket. As I say, it's like wearing nothing at all. It really is amazing when you wear one of these AFT jackets. Pocket on this side as well, and a pocket here as well, so you've got plenty of pockets on the inside. Other than that, we've tried to keep this jacket as clean as possible and as stylish as possible on the outside. When you get down to your local dealer, put this on, feel how light, feel how nice it feels. Of course, in terms of protection, we're also using the D3O protectors. So you've got D3O shoulders and elbows. That's running all the way over the shoulder joint. Compare it to other arms on the market. It's covering that whole joint, not just the tip of the shoulder. And in terms of the arm, you've got the elbow and down the front of the forearm covered with those D3O protectors. Of course, being RUKKA, they are RUKKA D3O protectors, unique to us. They're allowing breathability out from the jacket, so you're getting breathability in those areas. Normally you'd end up with sweaty areas in these. You're not getting that with RUKKA. They've thought of everything in this. Adjusters around the arms, keep it nice and simple. The Cordura is absolutely fantastic. Check out the RUKKA Forsair jacket. For any more information, please go to tranam.co.uk or go to our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.